Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I am so glad that you are here with me today on this. Oh, I'm so excited. This Freestyle Friday. Well, listen, I'm so excited about my life. I hope you guys are so excited about yours. Each day that I wake up, guys, I am so grateful to God because internal work that God does inside of us is stellar. It's nothing like it. And with that being said, I know that a lot of people are in that desires or may want to experience a real meaningful relationship, like a kingdom spouse, a really meaningful relationship. And I just wanted to reach out today and ask you a question. Why are you waiting to show up? That's the question. Why are you waiting to show up? Let me tell you something. I am so excited about my life that every day I show up for myself. I show up for myself, guys, when I don't really want to show up for myself. When times are shown up challenging and hard, I continue to show up for myself. Because one thing I understand is that we attract into our experience people that we're on the same spiritual track, the same spiritual level. That's who we attract. We attract people that somehow reflect something back to us that's in our spirit. And it's the little things sometimes that we neglect in ourselves. And we attract someone to reflect that back to us, and it doesn't feel real good. And, I remember somebody saying that, a man or a woman don't want baggage. And I was listening to Jonathan Ansley. I think he's here on YouTube. He is phenomenal. But he's a relationship coach. And I just listen to him. I'm like, he is so smart. And he deals with people that are in their midlife, like 40s, 50s, and relationships and all that. But I was listening to him and he was like saying that a real man don't classify a woman's issues as baggage, but luggage. Baby, I about threw the phone. A person that's really developed on the inside don't look at some of the issues that we have, whether it's a man or female, but he was talking about a man. Don't look at the issues that we have, women, when we handle ourselves and we nurture ourselves and we stay with God and we show up as what we want to attract. We show up as a wife already. We're walking in that spirit. So we attract a husband type of guy to us. But he was saying that a real man will see or maybe see an issue in you and don't see it as baggage, but luggage, something that he can unpack with you, help you get a better understanding, grow together. You don't see some of the things that he may be challenged with as baggage. You know what I'm saying? But luggage, something that you can open up, find the answer to, and help that man grow closer to God because of you. He helps you grow closer to God because of him. These are the type of relationships. I just keep on telling y'all that God is pulling together and he's doing it in the chosen one community first, because you have the attention of the masses, chosen ones. And God is wanting to give you a great kingdom spouse, baby. He wants to give you a good old push through in this environment so that people will come back to his ways, come back to his will, come back to his son, and be healed in divine interaction. So my question for you today, whether you're a man or a woman that's excited about your future with someone, why are you waiting to show up? Because if you desire a husband or if you desire a wife, show up as that. And in a matter of time, when you're in perfect sync with the will of God for your life, they will reveal themselves. Think about that. And until the next video, guys, peace. Bye now.